It's Fabric Tip Friday again here at Airtech. I'm going to do this tip this Friday on another one on kind of doing stuff neat. This tip will work whether you're using Airtech or any other system. And it's going to be marking out to put your glue down for your tapes. There's nothing wrong, if you're putting down a 2-inch tape, there's nothing wrong with taking a ruler, marking a 2-inch and connecting your lines. But I have noticed with different companies' tapes, they all have them slit, by a company or whatever. So, they could vary just a little. So rather than just hoping that this is exactly 2-inch, I like to fold it over and get me a center line mark and just use this as my measuring tool. Start back here at the back. You can line up like on this, just a rivet or something. And what you're wanting to do also on your pencil, keep your pencils really sharp. Get you a pencil sharpener or something so your lines are real clean. What I like to do by doing it this way, lay it down and mark out to the tip of the pinked edge. What that's doing, that's ensuring that you're going to glue all the way out and you're not going to have little pinked edges sticking up just because you didn't quite get it glued. If you was to be 2 inches and say there's a full tip sticking out past your marks, none of them are going to get glue on them. And I like to go, up to the center of the rib or wherever and get another mark. And then you can take your straight edge or whatever you're using to mark your line with and pull your lines in, and then decide if you're going to put a straight line to terminate every tape at an exact spot. Sometimes on the top curve of a wing, you can take a piece of aluminum, maybe just a little wider than this, that will bend, and that way you're putting a mark in the center, in the back, in the center, and the front. If you just do it at the front and the back, the curve of that could make it a little wider in the center. So just another little tip that also not only makes it neat, you also are ensuring by using this template of whatever you're going to be putting down for a tape, it is ensuring that you're making a mark that is going to have the glue all the way out to the edge, and you won't have the problem later on with a pinked edge sticking up. Thank you.